also like it.
Olha nosso amiguinho aqui. Encontramos um amiguinho no monastério.
Take.
It's a donkey. Yeah?
Olha que leve.
Ah, mas ele tá preso. Pobrezinho. Pobrezinho.
No, you are just by me? No, no. No.
Well, he's trying to play with you?
I don't know.
I think so.
He's smiling.
Take care, please.
Yes. No.
Yes, good.
This is all food.
Yeah, but I think it's not so tasty.
But he wants to buy, I think. I think the teeth are strong. No.
Yes, very strong. I don't want to try it.
Do you want?
It's recording.
Yes. Now it's Fabi.
Yes. With her new friend. Hey, come here. Hmm? Oh my god.
He wants to go.
And he
Ow.
comes. He wants to go out. Just go out. Hey. Ooh. Who is the Fabi's donkey? Who is the Fabi's donkey? Oh, who is the Fabi's donkey? It's me. I'm looking like a kid now. Hey, who is the Fabi's donkey? Who is the Fabi's donkey? I think it's hurting him.
No, look, wait. Come on, try.
Really?
Try.
Oh my god!
He's also scared. No? Don't you?
My god! My friend. Okay.
Okay.
Fabi's going.